Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Snip tool with Windows plus Shift plus S, because that invokes the capture modes instantly. This saves time. Once done, pick a mode: rectangular for precise areas, window to lock a single app, or full screen for everything. Make sure to arrange the screen so the target content is visible and not behind menus. You want minimal editing after capture, so hide toolbars and notifications. This first step gets you in a capture mode quickly and correctly. After you select the area, your capture lands on the clipboard and shows a notification. Click that notification to open Snip and Sketch for editing. Once there, use the pen to mark important details, the highlighter to emphasize, and the crop tool to tighten composition. These edits make your screenshot communicative. If you need precise shapes, hold Shift or Alt while selecting. This lets you create constrained rectangles or centered selections. Make sure to save often, since edits don't auto-save by default. Finally, save your image with File, Save As, and pick PNG for sharpness or JPG for smaller size. Then share by dragging the file or pasting with Ctrl+V into your destination. If you need versions, use Save As to keep originals. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Snip toolbar or notifications don't appear, restart the Snip and Sketch app, log out and back in. Or check Windows Update. Often a pending update or a stuck background process blocks the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.